You searched for how to buy shares of Ramaco Resources Inc., so here is a clear step-by-step walkthrough. Ramaco Resources Inc. is a U.S. coal and mining company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker METC, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically need to verify your identity with an ID document and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker METC to locate the company listing. Make sure to select the Ramaco Resources Inc. entry that matches the NASDAQ ticker. On the stock page, you will find basic company details and a price chart showing recent movements. Confirm the name and ticker METC match Ramaco Resources Inc. before continuing. To invest, click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to buy, choose the order type if available, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order will queue until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in the portfolio where you can monitor it and review transactions. A reference link to eToro is included in the description for your convenience.